Kubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Seiñraij Jowai kala Pyndep ya ka chat Sukra baju penlong shisin chisnem. Hashwa ban bet ban Thung yu Symbai Phniang haki hali ki penthor. Ya ka chat Sukra la penlong haki Sngi lenter kabalas dang nadu ka arpulai tarik bat penkot haka arpul sau tarik uyayong. Halor ka phang samoy wa kala wa pencho yeipor yeiwa yo utip unyau kor. Lasdang ya ka chat Sukra hamengkoi perdi da ka jelang bala penyai de uba hambines pasa Vice President Seiñraij Jowai kangu blai na uba hei por michalam milyangon bat ki kentin lengkon shaphang ka chat Sukra na udolai ka Jowai uba puramon kenjing ban pen berngya ki spa ngut ki pat ba ki bawan sakhi ya ka chat Sukra ki samla ken thai bat shenrang kumju ki longkme ki laya shem benta hakikat santali ki jingshan. Hadian kani lasdang pat sa kasyat miyaw na mengkoy perdi. Leng baka biar ka belai haka babaro ki khun ka Seiñraij Jowai kilaya syat lembrum. Rengkat ki sur Seiñraij ki ba pensawa ya kasnong kathaw. Hadu bandapoy hamadan chat Sukra kabadan hayaw musyang Jowai. Hayaw musyang kadon biang ka jingelang bala penyai de uba OR Shalom President Seiñraij Jowai. Haka ba u Chief Justice ka Meghalaya High Court Usanjib Banerjee ulalong kumukongsan. Haka jingadan lang u MLA kathan uba wailat miki shella bat kiwei kinong yalam ka Seiñraij Jowai. Chief Justice Usanjib Banerjee haka jingkren ulapan pau ya ka jingkmen banyoi ya ka jingpho jingpieng karyam tenrai. Ula kren ru halor ka jingdan kam ban penek pensa ya ka riti destur bat ban buram ya ka mei maryang kenthop nadu ki kiwa bat baro ki jingthau ba em haka. Namar ukhun ban re udai tang unong syarai na benta banyo jingkerhu ka pateng banwan. Hadin ka jingalang ladon biang ki jingshat penbernya balapen kre dakisnong bat ki Seiñraij baper. Hadin ka ne ka don ru ka jingshat surong daga balet chaki benta baper jongki dongki snat kasnong Jowai. Kalbaha ka por menmiet ka badai ka benta ka bakhadu jong ka chat Sukra. Kaladon ka jingshat penbernya hamengkoi perdi lom perdi yong pia.
This is the culture of the Phniang people. The two sides of the same coin. If the religion is not there, no culture. If the culture is not there, no religion. This is the message for you, sir, because some of the faith now they are copied, Seiñraij, but it is only tarnish the image and the sanctity of our traditional practice which was given to us by our Supreme Court. Thank you, sir. God bless you.
Particularly the Phniang people celebrating the Sukra. God bless you and best wishes. I will be shocked because most of you have not come to hear me, you've come to see the program. I will be with you for the initial part of the program, but I am already overwhelmed by the color, by the beats, and by the humongous participation, the happiness and hope that I see in the faces, particularly of the next generations. We have to honor and keep our traditions alive. Education, development and science does not mean the sacrifice of tradition. Our identity, our culture, our tradition should be held dear. I congratulate you on the lovely festival and I hope that what is to follow meets the expectations of the large crowd over here. I have only one message, that however intelligent we think we are, we cannot fight with nature. The pandemic should have taught us this much at least. We have to preserve nature, we have to protect nature, we have to coexist with all other living things and have time and space for all water bodies, the flora and fauna. We are trustees for our future generations, and if we desecrate nature the way we are going now, our future generations will not have it to enjoy. I am so proud to be in probably the most naturally endowed state in the country. All the time that I travel across the state, I look out the window of my car and I am mesmerized at the beauty that I see outside. Please maintain the beauty, please respect it. God bless you once again.
I think it is the end of felicitation. I request the Honorable Justice to accept a beautiful kind of information for this two important books. One book is related to our freedom fighter, Phniang. I think you're already aware, because he was hanged by the British in this area. And also a traditional practice of the Phniang people from birth to death. Wedding, birth and death. So I request our General Secretary to hand over this two important information for our Honorable Chief Justice.